Whether during training courses for community health workers or simply for future parents, the scenarios provide an opportunity to take a look at our habits and practices. The BANDEBEREHO program not only puts into practice the situation we have to face, but also provide positive attitudes to respond to them. Here, community health workers teach young couples how to share housework during one of the 17 BANDEBEREHO sessions. The transformational process is as much about acquiring new skills as it is about learning new ones. The acquisition of new skills, those that will enable us to transform our day-to-day behavior, involves putting them into practice. This is where role-playing becomes more than just a game. It's the first good attitude to adopt at home.